What's up, folks? Welcome to another video. We're down here at the Wharf Boat and Yacht Show in Orange Beach, Alabama. It's 2 days out from the show. I'm down here early, helping out, helping set up, get boats and stuff and exhibits and stuff prep for the show. So let's go see what we get into. This is new to me, new to you guys. It's gonna be fun. It's cool because we can do that without getting like kicked out or something. So my primary area of operation is going to be these first floor slips on either side of H dock. Right now we got some Hatteras boats. We have to just prep, get clean, all kind of other stuff. So I'm showing you guys some of the struggles and things that come along with, I don't know, putting on a boat show or just being involved in a boat show. So this should be fun. All right, so this is us, or not us, I say this is Gulf Coast Yacht Group that I'm here helping. You can see they have the first 8 boats here. Some of them are in need of attention before the show, so that's what we're doing today. You can see we got Brian over here hard at work. He's cleaning, making things spick and span. I heard he's the best in the business. I don't know if it's true though. So right now one of the first things we're doing is getting the docks and all cleaned up. You know, old buoys, old nasty ropes and hoses, get all that freshened up. There's a lot of stuff happening. So not all the boats in a boat show are like brand new boats. This one right here, this is an owner's boat that they're letting them use for the boat show. So you got to get it ready to rock and roll, nice and pretty. But in this boat's particular case, it's not exactly ready. It looks like they just, you know, got back from a cruise on the inside. Let me show you. All right, so I'm trying to remember exactly what boat this is. It's a Hatteras 63 motor yacht, I believe. It's super nice. Very, very nice. It appears to be lived in. Well, for the show, you don't want a appear to be lived in too much boat. So we're gonna do some cleaning up just to make things a little bit nicer for, you know, the people who are gonna be coming aboard during the show. I mean, there's still some dishes in this sink and, you know, stuff like that, but it's not a major, major deal. You know, still got water and snacks and medicines and look at an EPIRB here. Wine, I mean, everything is still here. Oh, check out this map. You know, I've seen these before. They're very, very awesome. It's a map of Mobile Bay. So right now, we're like right over here a little bit farther. This is where I went on the Sea Dory. Came out here to Dolphin Island. Then on the skiff, I went like all around this area on the skiff. Pretty cool. All right, let's go down below real quick. Down here where the cabins are, things are pretty nice and clean. There's a few things here and there that need to be straightened up. You know, make the bed a little bit. Bathroom for the head, the ensuite head. Looks pretty nice. You know, a couple little things out, but nothing too bad. Check out the mirror in the ceiling. All right, so we can handle that. Check the closet. You know, all this stuff's going to be gone through by people who are interested in the boat. Wow, nice cedar lined closet. What's in here? Oh, washer dryer. Oh, look, they left the towels in the dryer. The washer's empty. All right, come on down the hallway. This is gonna be the port cabin. We got bunk beds in here. I forget what they call these. They're switched different directions. Forget what they call that, but it's something. Then across the way, you have an ensuite head for the cabin up in the bow. Okay, it looks pretty good. All right, this was not too bad, but we got to get to cleaning it. All right, I'm gonna start with the dishes. Okay, we got her all straightened up. Everything looks pretty good. I'm not gonna give you guys a detailed tour in this video, but that will be coming later. But just let you guys know that we put in some work. Dishes are clean, everything's put away. Just things look a lot better for the presentation of the boat. Because the show is gonna be opening in, what, a day and a half? No, 2 days from today, on Friday at lunch. Today is Wednesday. Maybe could use a little more straightening up with the linens and stuff, but the gist of it's done. So I think I'm gonna leave this one alone. I may come back to it later, just kind of do some final small minute details, straightening it up. Everything looks pretty good. All right, we got another one to do. All right, so now we're jumping on this Cabo 41 to give it a little attention, a little bit of love. Now this is not an owner's boat, it is for sale, and it's used as a show boat, so it goes around to the different shows. It is super nice. I believe this is what they call like an express style boat, because it's kind of like a sport fisher, but it doesn't have the big tower, it doesn't have the big raised helm station, the raised salon that's all enclosed. You can see this is all open up in here, and it's a little bit of a smaller boat than your larger, I guess, sport fishers. Man, check out these captain's chairs. Golly, man. Oh, nice ice maker, refrigerator down here. All right, let's go see how the inside is. We'll do a more detailed tour of this thing later as well. Whoop, that slides. Come down the companionway. You step right into the salon galley area. You got a single head back here with a shower. Pretty nice. Things look pretty good in here. Everything's fairly clean, just kind of needs a quick dusting and things like that. Up in here to the cabin. Freshen this up a little bit. Be sure there's not junk or stuff that could look a little better in all the closets and things. Overall, this boat looks pretty good. We'll take just a few minutes to freshen this up. Keep turning the lights off. Looks pretty good. This closet, ooh, nice. Oh, even smells like cedar. Whoa, dehumidifier or a fan in here? It is. Check this out. I think this is a fan speed on. I mean, it's probably powered off, but pretty cool. Dometic. I think that's some kind of like humidity control for inside the cabinet. If you put some wet things in here, pretty cool. Does the light turn off when you close it? We'll never know, will we? We'll never know. I can't tell. Hopefully the light turns off when you close it. Everything else looks pretty darn snazzy in here. Yeah, baby. Fridge looks good. Couple bottles of water. Freezer looks good. Microwave good. Dude, check these out. Woo, man. This is nice. What material? Oh, it's like wood with plexiglass on top. Gives it a nice shine. Head looks pretty good, right? Looks pretty good. Glass looks good. This one's ready to rock. So something else that has to be cleaned is the engine rooms. We're back on the 60.
Just gotta wipe the center line out.
We gotta wipe the center lines out. That gets the most nasty. Check this out. We'll get down in there later. All right, now we're scooting back next door. Gotta get on this Hatteras. I think it's a 60. This would be considered a 60 sport fish with a tuna tower, fly bridge. This is a genuine sport fish boat. And it's rather large. Naturally, I mean, it is 60 foot, so. Coolest part is I can get on it, people aren't like, what are you doing over there? Check out this fighting chair. Wow, man. Oh, we're going to go to the tuna tower in a little bit. But first, let's get to work. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Nice. All right. Not too bad. Some random hardware laying around. This is some sort of a cover. So this one's got a little bit of age to her. Everything's looking pretty good though. They need someone who knows how to build cabinets and cabinet doors. They don't even know it, but that would be me. All right, let's move down to the bow. Moving forward. Oh yeah, this one they're supposed to be getting new carpet, but they're not sure how that's gonna work. Got some little bunk beds in here and a bunch of stuff. Little closet there. What is this? The door to the head, maybe? Yeah, so it's gonna be considered an ensuite head. So this one has been it's been used a lot, but it's, I mean, still an awesome boat. Just it has a little dirty carpet. It's supposed to be a guy coming to put new carpet in it, but they're not sure if it's gonna get done or not because just the way it's working, but we'll see. Oh, look at this little shower. Let's see how big this shower is. It looks really small. Oh, it's actually not that small. It's actually got some decent size to it. And we'll see. Ooh, did I just sit in water? No, okay. Oh, I sat on the bowl of soap. Oops. It's okay, so we can do some things like clean the glass, wipe off the countertops, you know, all the surfaces. All right, heading farther forward. Washer and dryer, Mike could touch that up just a little bit because, you know, people come and open doors, or at least I do. Anything that way? No. This way. What's back there? Okay, closet. Okay, so this is the master cabin up here. Very nice, large. Okay, so you can tell this boat is a little bit older. You can see this old classic TV. It's gonna take some love to get it looking nice. All right, here's an ensuite head. Pretty nice. Pretty clean for the most part. Just a little touch up, so that's not too bad. This thing is humongous. Oh, did we see this cabin? We did. Did we see this head? Oh no. So this other cabin, it has its own ensuite head. Blind Hog. That's the name of this boat. Blind Hog. Man, she is a hoss, son. Bad to the bone, man. I need to go fishing on one of these, man. They be catching them big old fish. Alright, this one's not perfect, but it's certainly more presentable than it was. And sucker's so big. Oh, alright, let's see what's next. Oh, crap. Darn it. Just sprayed some on my hand. I know what's next. We're gonna go up. Alright, so I got pulled away earlier. Had some more chores and stuff to do. Yeah, let's go check out the fly bridge over here. This is the sport fish we were tidying up the inside earlier. Oh. Man, this is pretty sweet. Looks pretty good up here. All these chairs are good and beautiful. Nice, freshly varnished, it appears. Heck yeah. Barely even dusty. So in case you folks didn't know it, I've never really been on boats like this before. Except one time I did go to the Miami Yacht Show like years ago. But this is the first time I've got to get on them and kind of, you know, just chill out and check it out all on my own. Now, one thing I definitely have never done is climbed up in a tuna tower. Let's go check that out. Surely to God, no one's going to scream at me to stop. If they do, we're just going to keep rolling. We can do this without falling. Oh, this is freaking cool. Woo, golly. Now this is where I need to be. Right here. Holy smokes. Could y'all imagine? So here you can see all the Gulf Coast Yacht Group boats. These four here. 1, 2, 3 here. This one I'm on. And they got one more that's coming in, I don't know, probably in the morning. It was supposed to be today, but some sort of issues are arising or something. It's coming from like Biloxi, Florida. I mean, Biloxi, Mississippi. All right, time to go back down. All right, folks, well, day one of boat show prep is over down here in Orange Beach at the Wharf. So now it's time for me to go edit this video and upload it for you guys to enjoy. Alright folks, I'll see you on the next video. Take care, get out there, and God bless. And pray for bigger boats.